All right, guys. So I have my Lab 9 answer sheet here completed and filled out, but before I turn it in, I want to go back through, make sure my answers are correct, and make sure I don't have any errors. I want to take some steps to correct any errors I might find, and then I want to prepare it to hand in as a single answer sheet rather than having all of these instructions attached to it. I just want to turn in the answer sheet. So I'm going to give you those steps right here. So like we do when we fill in the answer sheet, you're going to open the editing tools. So if they are not currently out here, you want to click on this icon and open the editing tools. Now, since we use fill and sign to complete the answer sheet, I now have all these little text boxes here. So using this edit PDF icon is perfectly acceptable to go through and correct your errors. So I'm going to just look, oh, I spelled charred wrong. I want to add another R and put an E there. So it was charred black and there was some gray and it smelled. Infinite looks good. I'm gonna go down through here, check some spelling errors, which I occasionally make. Components, there's an extra E right here I gotta get rid of. Whoops, I did not want to do that. So I can Control Z and get that back. And I'm gonna put my cursor there again, and I want to backspace, Control Z. So we want to edit this. All right, in this paragraph block, we have a few errors that we want to fix. You see that the word components is highlighted. So when you have a highlighted word there, sometimes you can right click and then you get a suggestion replacement. So I'm going to just do that, right click to get that replaced. Also, resistors is missing an S in here. So I'm going to right click and get resistors there. Now, I want to say lose and not loose right here. So I'm going to click where the O is and do backspace and simply remove that. So go through, correct all your errors. When everything looks good, we're ready to save this whole answer sheet as a PDF. So all I want is the last page here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to print this. So I open the print dialog. And I want to make sure my printer says Adobe PDF. If it doesn't, you're going to select that from the list, Adobe PDF. What are you printing? You're printing the current page, the answer page. Sometimes we'll have two pages that make up the answer sheet, in which case we'll need to put the page range. So say page 4 and 5, if there are multiple pages that made up my answer sheet. But I just want the current page. There's only one answer sheet here. I'm going to print the actual size there. And I can just go ahead and hit print. And this is going to export my file to a print area, and it gives me the opportunity to save this. So I want to save, this is Lab 9, and I would save it with my last name, H-A-R-D-Y, your last name, whatever it may be, and just hit save. And now you are ready to either attach this to a bigger PDF for your and there it is. It popped it up on the screen for me. Or you can just turn it in as that. Now, as we advance further along here, you are going to create some lab reports that will require some pictures and documentation, where we're going to document all that together in one big lab binder. But you are now ready with, and you can see there's only my answer sheet in here. You're ready to turn this in. Okay, thank you.